Hello friends, this is Phanindra from SQL School, and this short video is regarding our MS SQL and TSQL training classes. I assure you practical sessions step by step with real-time activities, end-to-end implementations, and Microsoft exam guidance. In our training classes, we'll be working with various activities of database. We'll be learning the fundamental architecture of database, right from the scratch, right from the design concepts to queries and query tuning activities. And we also have real-time projects and AI implementations with cloud in our training classes. In this particular SQL course, which is mainly useful for good amount of job opportunities, with easy user-friendly environment, the high-paid secure jobs, and safe job landing with cloud integrations and AI components. This SQL course that we are going to learn at our school will be easy for you to step into core development or analyst or data scientist or admin or engineer or architect job roles. My classes will be 100% practical, step by step and real time. My classes will be full of real-time case studies, real-time project work, and resume guidance. On my screen, the complete list of topics we are going to learn in our classes. This MS SQL and SQL Server TSQL program has 30 concepts, very beautifully designed, with detailed notes, detailed examples, concept-wise FAQs, mock interviews, and highly interactive activities with resume guidance. Let's have a live demo session. Let's understand more about our actual classes. Let's understand more about the takeaways from this course and the foundation knowledge from these particular classes. We'll do it slowly, step by step. In our classes, we'll be aiming at the end-to-end implementations, right from the birthplace of data to reporting analytic activities. Either you may opt for data analyst job role, data engineer job role, or business analyst or SQL developers, anyone, everyone, this course will be surely helping you a lot. Come on, let's meet live for a demo class. You may reach our team on the contact number you see on the screen, 9666640801, or visit our website sqlschool.com, or you may reach me directly on this number 90300400801, or ping me on WhatsApp or even LinkedIn. I am there to assist you. Thank you so much and see you there in the live demo session.